Jamaican Deadly Superstitions. Part 1. 1. Some say a duppy rises on the third day after the burial and returns to the house to wander around her possessions, leaving on the ninth night. Relatives and friends gather at the house of the dead to welcome her return and send them back to the grave. People keep wakes or setups, and on the ninth night an all-night vigil is held. 2. The unusual crying of animals, birds or insects, the crowing of a cock inside the house, the abrupt end of a rain shower on a clear day, and a loud knock on the door or roof for no apparent reason. These are taken to be death omens. 3. If two people say the same thing at the same time, according to Jamaican superstition, it means they will die together. 4. If you add to a house or cut down an old tree, according to Jamaican superstition, someone in the house will die. 5. A duppy can only count to 9. 6.
Follow
When
Jamaican
being
true
buried,
stories.
buttons must be removed from the clothes of the deceased and the clothes must be pinned or sewn without knots or the duppy will return. Pockets must also be sewn up or the duppy will return and fill it with stones, to harm those left alive. 7. Duppies are said to live in the roots of cotton trees, bamboo thickets or in abandoned buildings. They eat bamboo roots, fig leaves and the fruit of a vine called the duppy pumpkin. 8. A number of Jamaican plant names feature the word duppy. This term duppy in plant names is used to distinguish between edible and inedible plants. What is good for the duppy is bad for humans. This is an important lesson to learn from a young age. For example, there is the real chocho and the duppy chocho. 8. Plants like night-blooming jasmine are known to attract duppies, and Jamaicans know to keep them away from their homes, according to noted historian Edward Long. This belief in the good and bad qualities of certain plants and trees comes from Africa. 9. If you are followed by a duppy, stop and mark an X on the ground, and since they can only count to 9, they will spend the night trying to count to 10. 10. If a duppy is wearing black, he is harmless, but if he is wearing white, he is dangerous. 11. If you feel a sudden gust of warm air, it means that a duppy is present.
Like, follow, and share for more Jamaican true stories.